fishing. Yeah.
Saw one fish.
The rods.
I see a couple fish.
See a couple.
Here, or a honey hole. This is a honey hole here. We pour out a lot of fish through here. Yeah. Okay. Yep.
Oh, I had done so
Figure
much
eight.
that I've done this.
Yes.
Your feet is straightened. I hear the drop.
Show you some minute.
Sure. Spin it to win it.
I want to go home.
Yeah. All right, we're on Quiet Creek. It's April 26th right now.
April 26th.
All the fishing action's starting to heat up, so we're just gonna try our hand on some catfish and see if we can catch some catfish here. We're using shad. These are some shad I caught in the Rappahannock last week, so they're freshly frozen. I think we're gonna get some bites here. I got 4 rods. Let me show you. I got 1 rod here. We got another rod right there, another rod there, and another rod. So that's what we're trying out for now. We have 4 rods out, and these rods here on the channel. I think this one is getting a bite. See that line? Oh, that line right there. Look at that line. Yeah, just tighten her up a little bit. All right, stop right there. I think that one's getting nibs.
Okay, I done.
She got nibbed. She's done. I'm gonna throw one more line out. Throw that line out, be right back.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You saved the best part for me.
No, not eat that. That's gross. That is not.
So we just missed that one. There's fish in here. We just keep on going. Keep grinding it out. Hopefully we can hold off
The potty.
the potty pain.
Potty.
All right. Get ready. All right. Go ahead and pick it up and feel for it. You gotta turn your reel around. Turn around. Yeah. Tighten it up.
I reeled it.
Feel for it. Next time he does a big tug, set the hook. Yeah, give him a nice quick yank next time he tugs hard. Not biting anymore? Did you drop it?
I'll make this drop it.
Put it back. Man. Finicky today.
Said he's coming out right now. You talk to telekinesis?
What's coming out?
Telepathically talking to her? In 5 minutes?
Yeah.
It's definitely been slow. I mean, pretty slow for this spot. We did miss 2 fish. I think I just got another bite over there. We're gonna get them. We just wanted 2 or 3 eaters. Just 2 or 3 eaters would go in.
Yeah. I need fish.
2 or 3 eaters will go in.
Yes.
We got a bite right there. Get ready. You got 2 baits on there.
Sit back there. I know I just told you to sit next to me, but I'm sorry. There's a fish. duck is watching us.
I don't like that.
Sounds like a fish.
I don't like that one bit. That duck is watching us. Nothing yet. Oh, nothing yet. I mean, we're getting bites. There's nothing's taking it. Nothing's taking the hook.
Sit with me.
We could try another spot though. That's still an option. Could be better than this. What time is it? It's already 5 o'clock. All we need is two fish. Like 2 5-pounders. That's it. That's it.
I'm already dying. I already have frostbite.
That's it.
And my veins are ice.
The orange line is going slack.
And you say just 2 more. But then when we get 2 more, it'll be another 3. And then a 4. And then a 5. And then
6. Keep reeling. Fast as you can. Alright, hold on. Hold on. Let me reel this one in. You got it?
Yeah.
Alright, pull it out of the rod holder.
Wait, blue?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's definitely blue.
Yeah.
You probably got a
Come on.
catfish.
Bring them over.
You
There's
probably
one.
bought a catfish.
Yeah, there's one.
There's a catfish.
That's a
Oh,
catfish.
Watch out, it's
I
a
know you got a big one.
That's a
And let's
catfish.
put it here.
Yeah, that's nice.
Yeah.
This little eater.
Just did it.
I can't get the umbrella unbent. This is
Turn it. Just spin it. There we go. Finally got one.
we go back now.
All right, well, we got one. That was it. It's raining pretty hard.
Twinkling now.
This umbrella worked out pretty well
We bought it. We bought
Yeah.
it. We bought it to keep it shaded from the
because
sun.
I am soaked. My back is soaked and cold.
And we're dry.
Yeah. So
I
you'd be very miserable.
saw a splash over there.
I'm feeling pretty cold. My back is cold
Yeah, you saw
right now.
splash?
Yeah, over there. I saw a fish over there.
Yeah.
Nice.
A splash.
Okay, it's time to go away now. I want to go home.
I want to go home too. I want to go home.